Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 4 of Building the Batmobile from 1966. In this issue, we're looking at the iconic windscreen or dual windscreen, the canopy sort of cockpit covers. After looking a little bit more at the Penguin. Penguin's obviously one of the big although small, if you know what I mean. Generally played as a brush short person, as far as I'm aware. Certainly was in the film. I think he was in the series. I can't really remember him. But there we go. Looking at him some more. Batman Year 1. There we go. Origin story. I don't know when that was, though, but you can feel free to pause and read all of the words if you like. Looking at issue 12 of The Batman there. February and March. Number 9. I don't know what year. There you go. It's amazing how the art style has changed a lot. I mean, drawing's still drawing, but it's just different, isn't it? So yeah, there you go. Feel free to read about that. This is the car parts we have. What do they actually call it? Just glass. There we go. We've got 2 little brackets to fit, and that's all we're going to be doing for the build. Put a bracket in one side, then putting a bracket in the other side, and then just looking at it. So, right, let's clear this out of the way, and let's get this very quick build done. So, here we have the glass. It's quite nice. I like it. Does the job. It's yeah, very Batman-y. So we've got these 2 brackets. Now there are a left and a right. Basically they've got 2 pins on the inside and a bracket that goes up or down depending on which side you're looking at. But this one, it goes on this side and points upwards. So the 2 holes are across the bottom. If I can get that not stabbed through my finger. Lined up through there. That will go on there, just like that. It's just sort of causes a corner piece for the frame. I get the impression that this is make work, because they could have moulded this in and not given it to us as a separate piece. But then we wouldn't have anything to do. So there we have it. Obviously this is not glass, it's a plastic, but it does the job. It's a nice piece. And obviously that will sit... I don't know if that goes over the top or underneath, or probably underneath, I think. Is it like that? It feels like it should be a bit like that. It sort of fits in there quite well. Yeah, it's got a little notch piece there that probably joins up with that. So that's probably going to fit much like that. And that gives us a look as to the overall sort of scale and size of it as it's going to be. Be good, isn't it? It's going to be nice. So, as I said, this is a quick build episode, so that's that done. Next up, we've got another self-contained piece, but I don't know exactly what it is. I haven't really looked into it, but I'll get these out of the way because I don't think I'm going to need these again for the next bit. Bring in the next magazine and have a look at that very soon. So I shall see you for that, hopefully tomorrow, maybe the day after, around there sometime soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.
You